So this is a microinverter. It's a grid-type microinverter from China. This is a GMI 260. It's designed to work with just one solar panel or a 260 watt solar panel array, which is exactly what I have right now. So it's very, very simple. There's no fans, nothing on it. It's one of the most simple devices out there. And because it's going to be an indoor installation, it's going to work great for me. Basically, you have a positive and a negative, and then you have this connector over here, which is going to go directly into the outlet. So I'm going to install a connection over here on the side, and then we're good to go. This is how it looks like installed. It's just a simple 2 screws on the wall. Lines go in, so I have negative and positive going in, and this one is going into a kilowatt. So right now we're producing 151 watts. I am taking out of the panels 164, so obviously there's like about 10-15 watts loss in the conversion. The panels are sitting outside, are just some temporary panels that I just have hanging over there. This system was made out of leftovers, so basically it cost me nothing so far except this unit. It's rated for 260 input, 250 output, and is running at a 24 volt right now. So it's a 24 volt system. And I'm pulling 4.61 amps. As far as like the noise goes, it's pretty quiet, but it does make a little bit of a trickling noise. So having it in a bedroom maybe was not the best idea. I might be moving it later on. But this is a great toy to have, to play with things around the house. It has a status light on the side over there, so it tells you if it's running or not. Simple installation, all the connections, everything that you need almost, it's in the box. So this is a portable solar system, plug and play, and I'm producing 152 watts out of the power that I'm using in the house right now. So obviously you need multiple of these. They sell into multiples for each solar panel. Very, very easy to install and take it off and take it with you if you move. So this is for the type of people that rent or are on the go a lot or change houses a lot, because you don't want to spend $28,000 on a solar system and just leave the house and then be stuck with a bill. And for those people that like numbers, for the geeks out there, is it getting warm? Yes, it's getting a little bit warm to the touch. So I will have to put a cooler on it. Even though this was supposed to be mounted outside, it's already getting hot inside. It's pushing 184 watts inside the house right now. I'm producing outside 201 watts on a solar system that it's 100, 130, and 30. So I was supposed to have 260, but there's like always losses. So this is just how it works. Some people will ask, what's the surface temperature of this thing? So it's 122 here where the sticker is.